I challenged myself to post on YouTube for 30 days. Wish me luck. This is day 2. I slept by 4 a.m. almost 4:30, and I woke up by 6:20 because I was editing. And what actually took my time was I was trying to sort out sending, because I have like 3 different gadgets to shoot with now, my camera and 2 phones. So I had to send everything to one place, which was my iPad. That's where I want to be editing on. Unfortunately, the space was not enough because there are other pictures and videos on it, and the camera videos are really large. Hopefully today I'll be able to put all those in place. So if I know that I'm editing on my MacBook, once I'm done, I'll just transfer everything to my MacBook, do my editing. I'm going to be shooting with precision so that as I'm shooting, I know what I'm going to take out, I know what I'm going to add in, where I'm going to put this, where I'm going to put that, so that editing will be easier and I can actually keep up with this challenge. So let me go and wake Ariana over and get her ready for our showcase that she's been talking about in like forever, because she's so excited. I'm also so excited to see her, do her ballet thingy. Showcase time! Jesus loves you. Arise and shine and give God the glory. Should I leave you to sleep?
Mommy.
Yes, babe.
My earrings.
My earrings.
Yeah.
Which one is part of it? Yeah, close it back. No, that one is for mommy. Yeah, close it back.
I'll just give it to you.
Yeah, give it to me. Thank you, baby. Yes, they're hot for you. No. When you're going, you take it. Yeah, I'm pretty. Don't mess up your clothes. You look so pretty. So when I came back from dropping Ari, I went to get Brenna ready to go for Ari's showcase. Take it as you. Brenna. You're so excited. Wow, you look pretty. Hey, it's a ballerina. Through the door. Let the people rejoice. Oh, come to the Father, to Jesus the Son, and give him the glory, great things he has done.
At every beck and call. We've had several opportunities to have had you here to come witness a whole lot of other events.
So back from Ariana's school, I have a package coming in because I'm supposed to shoot. So I'm shooting today. I'm shooting for rookies and I'm shooting for Oinks Fit Meals. So let's see how the day goes. Ariana is asleep, so I'm going to take a quick nap now. Shh, before Ariana comes back. This is 1:16. Ariana will be back by like 2:30. So I can get like 1 hour nap. All I want to do now, I want to open. See Brianna.
Okay.
So we're going to open this one. I'll open this one with you. This one with you. Then I'm going to do this one. This one is food. Let me take what I used to pump upstairs.
This one.
Yeah.
This one.
Yes, we're going to open it.
But the boo 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 in a babes. That's for babes. How the what was this one? The food. My name is Anna.
Wait, I'll carry, don't worry.
And the sugar.
Don't yet open it, my baby. Don't open it yet. We'll open it together, okay? Don't yet, Jesus. Hold on, Mama. Hold on. We'll do it together, okay? Me and you together. Hold on.
What's open?
I'm going to open it together. Yeah, wait.
Anna one. My name is Anna. So this one. So this and this one. This one. Oh, mommy.
Yeah?
Open this one. I need you open carry.
Wait, I'll carry, don't worry. I'll carry, don't worry, Ari.
I carry it small. I carry small, so you carry big. So, mommy,
Yeah, baby.
what you doing?
I want to try and see if I stay here and I put the food here. I'll see. Come around. So I'm just trying it out, okay? So fun fact, this was a free influencing gig. I didn't collect money to do this. But why would I? Because Rookie's Meals and Trees, when we did content creation 101 with First Lady Ella, she sent me a message and she provided food for everybody in the hall. She did not ask me for anything in return, but I insisted. I told her I was going to influence for her. And she got lots of jobs from the post I made. Oh yeah, Gabby, Mama Brianna. See my girlies.
Mommy,
Yeah, babes.
what's in your picture? What's in your picture?
A picture.
Please.
Take it to the kitchen. Good girl.
I want some dog.
You want what?
Dog.
You want your yogurt? Enjoyment minister. Enjoyment minister. Have you taken watermelon today?
Mommy,
Yes, babes.
I'm talking about my stove.
You taking?
My stove.
So I didn't even bother cooking again. We just ate this food till Tulu was exhausted. I didn't even think she was going to send this much. I was thinking she was just going to send like a food bowl or something, or just maybe like 2 plates of food. But she sent this entire, should I call it, food box, and it was really nice, really
sumptuous, delicious, everything, the small chops, the fried rice, the jollof, everything was just perfect. And my husband is very choosy when it comes to food and everything, but he ate this one, so because he does not play with his taste buds, but he actually enjoyed this one. Okay, that's good. Great job. Yes, baby. Your leg is not dirty too? Yes. Great job. Man, I've got some food. You're holding my wig. Am I owing you food? Am I owing you money? Okay.
Oh my god.
What happened?
You're stressing me.
Who's stressing you?
It's you.
Oh.
You're stressing me. It's you stressing
Who's
me.
stressing you?
Yeah.
I'm sorry.
Okay.
I'm lost in a lonely place. No one nowhere. Nobody. Nobody.
You say the rice is not to the script, so why you can't give it correct speak?
Back to myself.
No, I'm going to bat you.
Oh, good.
Good.
Ga. Good. Ga. Good.
Hello,
Yes.
Ari.
Ga. Good.
Okay, let's open it. Hi, guys.
Hi guys, my name is Anna. So you are going to open this together. So you spoil.
Okay. Gotta cut it. So this package was from Ella Berry Kids. She makes and sells very beautiful children's dresses on IG. I flexed for her sometime in when was that? Was it June or July? I can't remember, this year. And she just said she wanted to send the girls Christmas gifts. She wanted to send them dresses for Christmas. So yeah, we got this package and I was not even expecting the kind of dresses that she sent. I thought she was going to send those simple, those very simple baby girl dresses that we see everywhere and stuff, until I opened it. It's a big clothes, a really big clothes. This is for you. And this is for Ariana. It's so cute.
It's so neat.
This is your own. Yay! Like, she sent these very beautiful ball dresses, so beautiful. Like, immediately we opened it, Ari was like, "No, this is my this is my class party dress." She had an outfit for her class party, but when she saw this, she was like, she's wearing it for her class party. Oh, nobody should drag it without.
Okay, let's wear it. Small one. Three. Serious small one.
Breeze sleeping.
This clothes are my clothes. It's so big.
Very beautiful glow. Are you ready, Anna?
Yes.
Let me see the big smile. Let me see the big smile. Hello. You're going to wave and say, "Hello, mommy."
Hello, mommy.
Hello, Anna. I have something for you. Are you ready? Can you guess what it is?
Miko.
Ah, there you go. Yay! So this brand, Kudus NG, sent toys for an influencing video, and their toys are so nice. They're in Abuja though, but they deliver nationwide. So this day we just shot the videos with the toys. The videos have already been posted on Instagram, or the videos have already been posted on Instagram rather, but this is just the way we achieved shooting. So as you can see, Brianna was awake and she was with me. So sometimes I actually have to shoot when Brianna is there, and it's not easy. It's always so chaotic and everything. Although most times I plan and time my shoots when she's asleep. But this day, it just happened that she was awake. I think she refused to sleep. I don't even know why. And since it was just a fun shoot with Ariana, I was like, okay, let's leave her. I can hold her while, taking the videos and everything. I have never had to force Ariana into doing any content before. She's just always a natural. It's just something that she enjoys doing. So she just does her thing and I just make videos of her. I have never had to say, oh, stay here, do this, do that. If she's not up for it, I won't even involve her. But because she enjoys doing it, that is why you get to see like videos of her actually doing stuff like this and all. If not, I'll just count her out and I'll just be doing my own thing.
Great job.
So the rest of the day was pretty much just taking care of the girls, having fun, saw a movie, did karaoke and stuff, and then the drill, put them to sleep and all. Thanks for watching.